Good morning, children. I hope you all are safe at home. I will be teaching you computers. Children, as we have studied in previous class that a computer is an electronic device. It can perform several tasks. A computer never commit mistakes. A computer performs several functions at the same time. It is versatile. Now, children, do you know how does a computer work? As our body works with the help of different parts of our body, like from hands, we write, with our legs, we run, walk, and play. In the same way, there are different parts of computer which help it to perform its task. So, this module will help you to understand different parts of computer, IPO cycle and components of a computer. The different parts of computer have separate functions, but they all work together to complete a task. A computer system consists of two types of devices: input devices and output devices. Input devices are keyboard, mouse, and output devices are monitor, printer, and the CPU, where all the memory is present and all the data is processed. How do the parts of computer system come together to work? To do any work on computer, we have to follow these three simple steps. Step 1, input. Step 2, process. Step 3, output. This is called IPO cycle. I means input, P, process, and O, output. We can use simple example from our daily life to understand the IPO cycle. For turning on the TV, the input required is the remote control for the TV and the TV itself. The process is pressing of the remote and reception of the remote's signal by the TV. We get to watch our favorite channel as the output. Now, what is input, process, output for a computer? Input. Input is a way of communication with computer. We enter data and instruction into the computer as inputs. We can enter input through input devices. Input devices are keyboard, mouse, scanner, microphone. Process. Processing means working on the data according to the given instructions. Data and instructions are provided as input. CPU processes the data. The output is information or final result. We can see output on output devices. And output devices are monitor, printer, speaker. So children, do you understand about IPO cycle? Now, we will learn about components of a computer. A computer system is made up of two components: hardware and software. hardware. The part of computer which can be physically touched are called hardware. For example, monitor. Monitor is an output device. It is also known as visual display unit. Keyboard. Keyboard is an input device. It is used to enter the data into the computer by pressing different keys on it. Mouse. Mouse is a pointing device. It is used to move the pointer on the screen. It is also an input device. CPU. CPU is the brain of computer. All the calculations and comparison are performed by it. Joystick. Joystick is used to play games on the computer. It has got a stick to give instructions. It is also an input device. Speaker. We use speakers to listen to music and other sounds from the computer. It is an output device. Printer. Printer makes a permanent copy of the processed information on paper. It is an output device. It converts soft copy into hard copy. Scanner. Scanner is used to scan pictures, photos, images from a hard copy and send the information into the computer. It converts hard copy into soft copy. It is an input device. Now, software. Software is a part which cannot be seen or touched. It includes sets of instructions that enable the computer to work. For example, Microsoft Windows, Microsoft Office, and Microsoft Paint. I hope you all have enjoyed this module. Stay at home, stay safe. Thank you.